My name is Joyce Schneider, and I am the chair of the math department. I've been at Hail Murray for 22 years. Currently, I teach the CIS Calculus course, which is a college in the schools course through the University of Minnesota, and I teach honors geometry, and I teach advanced pre-calculus. Our math department offers 2 levels at all high school courses. We have a regular level and an honors level for each class. It is a very traditional class setting, and our standards are based on the Minnesota State standards and the ACT standards. We have a math team at both high school level and the middle school level, and offer lots of ways for your child to succeed. I love teaching here because it is such a warm community feel. Our middle school has courses for 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade, and has the opportunity for students to take a grade level above what their grade is, so that they can advance in mathematics and get to above grade level classes once they get to high school. It is a traditional system with most 8th graders taking middle school algebra in 8th grade. There is a math team for the middle schoolers so that they can compete, and lots of opportunities for success.